In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy multiple choice questions from Microsoft Word into Microsoft Forms. Whether you're building a quiz, a survey, or simply organizing information, using Microsoft Forms can be a huge help. To start off, the first thing you want to do is prepare your Word document. It's really important to ensure that each question, along with its multiple choice answers, is clearly formatted. This means putting each answer choice on its own separate line. This will make the transition to Microsoft Forms as seamless as possible. Once your questions and answers are properly formatted, go ahead and save your Word document. But here's a key tip: save it as a PDF file. This step is crucial because the PDF format helps retain the structure and layout, which you'll find beneficial when uploading it later on. With that done, it's time to head over to forms.office.com. You'll want to sign in with your Microsoft account information. If you're using this for work or school purposes, make sure to use those specific credentials. Being logged in ensures you have access to all the features available within Microsoft Forms. Once you're signed in and ready, you'll navigate to the Quick Import option. Here you'll see an option to upload from this device. Click on that, and when prompted, select your PDF document from wherever it's saved on your computer. This will start the import process. After you've successfully uploaded your document, you'll find that your questions and answers appear within Microsoft Forms. It's important to take a moment here to review everything that's been imported. Carefully check for any formatting issues or content that may have gone missing in transition. Sometimes certain elements may not import perfectly, so it's key to verify everything is accurate. If you do notice anything that requires adjustment, Microsoft Forms gives you the tools to make necessary edits. This includes tweaking your question wording, rearranging answer choices, or adding any content that didn't quite make it over during the import. Finally, after ensuring everything is to your satisfaction, it's time to save your work. Don't forget to give your form an appropriate title, something descriptive that captures the essence of what your form is about. And there you have it, a quick and efficient process to take your multiple choice questions from a Word document into Microsoft Forms. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating interactive and well organized forms that can be shared for immediate use. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.